these are interesting. These Interceptor plates are very, very thin, semi-rigid, and they're very protective. This is a level 3A. So in other words, what I have behind my hard plates in this is the same level of protection that this provides. This is basically bulletproof vest technology, so it will provide that level 3A, which will stop most handgun threats. So when you look at these plates, these are really nice to have because these can be used, they can be slipped into a backpack, they could be put on the backside of a clipboard if you're a law enforcement officer or if you work with a clipboard. But what it gives you immediately is a ballistic insert that you can slide into almost anything you carry. Book bags, backpacks, carry bags, and even a range bag can now be slid in with one of these, and should you need ballistic protection, you can rotate that up in front of you, and now you've got the ability to stop those rounds. Now another thing that they make, which is very, very interesting, is a larger version of it. So again, this is the same material, but it gives you a different ability level. This one actually has these retention bands, which means you can actually insert your arm and use this as a shield. But the interesting part of this, and this is a unique design, this is a desk calendar. The desk calendar is just like any other, except laying on your desk, it's a useful piece of equipment that you use every day anyway, but should you encounter some kind of a threat that enters into your office, home office, or work office, now you have the ability to rapidly flip this up and create a whole lot of shield for yourself. You can see how much surface area this would cover of your body to hide behind and give you the ability to have something ballistically to help stop rounds so that you can get back and engage threat or protect yourself so that the threat moves beyond you. But it's a very interesting concept that they came up with using this as a desk calendar. But again, when you look at these items, they should give you an idea of how ballistics can be used. And with these panels that are now available, you can take almost anything and turn it into a ballistically protective piece of equipment, whether that be a garment or a bag or anything, a desk calendar. So look at some of these options and let it get you thinking about